Competent host. DNA is hydrophilic in nature, that is, it cannot pass through cell membrane. Now, what we do, we take bacterial cell, we make it competent by treating it with divalent cation such as calcium so that its membrane porosity is increased. Then we take this competent host cell and we incubate it with recombinant DNA on ice, and then we, after incubation at ice, we take it to heat at 42 degrees Celsius and then again at ice. We give it heat shock. This heat shock and again to ice facilitates the movement of rDNA to bacterial cell. Other technique is microinjection, majorly used in case of animals, in which rDNA is directly injected into the cell. Biolistics and gene gun, majorly used in case of plants. The host cell is bombarded with microparticles of gold and tungsten coated with DNA, which as they are bombarded on very high velocity, it facilitates the movement of rDNA into the cell. Disarmed pathogen, in which the pathogen is used as a carrier of rDNA to infect the host cell and thus facilitates the transfer. Process of rDNA technology, how it is carried out. First step is isolation of DNA, then is cutting of DNA at specific or desired sequences, amplification of DNA using polymerase chain reaction, insertion of this rDNA into host. Then the last step is obtaining foreign gene product from it.